So for all this time, I'm making beats and I'm not aware of like the fact that the FL Studio Mobile is Synths inside. Like you can literally make maybe a drum loop and then you can take effects that you want to add on that drum loop and you send it to another so that you can add the reverb and the delay. The FL Mobile is Synth, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a send into your drums, your melodies, or anything. Like, what's up YouTube? If you are new to the channel, make sure you watch the video until the end, comment, like and share, subscribe and everything, man. Thank you for the growth. The FL Studio Mobile has got sense, bro. Like, it's crazy because like it can allow you to be creative while you are busy sending a signal to some other room where you can add effects, and then that signal won't even disturb other sound, you understand? So like I love it because like it can help me when I'm mastering the kick and the 808 or adding my reverb and my delays. And but you'll see in the video I'll try to be more explanative and just be more in depth about the FL Studio Mobile. So man, yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the secrets that FL Studio Mobile has got, but I'm gonna create a new video and then like, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, let me get straight to the video. So man, this is simple, right? We're inside FL Studio Mobile and you can see there that we have Synths, and then we have the master there. You can add send, create FX channel, right? But firstly, let's try to find a drum loop. I will make another drum loop after using this drum loop that is also inside the FL Studio Mobile. Let me go to Jay's Louis drum loops. Then let me just find a nice drum loop, then add a send. Yeah man, so I'm like I'll try to add a reverb, then after I'll make a drum loop. So let me look for a good break, something nice, you know, and then I'll show you a send. But I want to create a new drum loop where I can show you how you can add send and So yeah guys, you saw it like for the first time. I showed you how to use Synths when you are using only a loop, right? So now I want to show you how to use Synths when you have a good drum pattern going on and you want to add Synths to an individual pattern, right? When you are making a drum loop using one pattern, but you want to give you want to like use only one thing, right? Okay, watch, I'll show you what I'm trying to say.